Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and I'm going to show you how to make curry chicken. I'm just going to use chicken backs and a little bit of thigh as well. Okay, so we're going to make curry chicken. Just stay tuned. I'm going to chop my chicken up, the back, and I'm going to chop it up in small pieces like this. Okay, just in small pieces like this, bite size almost. And then we're gonna come back, okay? So my friends, I have washed this chicken in some vinegar and it's nice and ready to go. I'm also going to chop up one onion, a piece of red pepper, and some scallion to go along in the chicken. Okay, so once I cut this up small pieces, I'll come right back to you. Okay. Okay, my friends, in the chicken, I'm going to put some Cool Runnings seasoned salt. And you can put as little as you want to or as lot as you want to, okay? So I'm just going to add some Cool Runnings seasoned salt. Awesome. And then I'm going to put some Kirkland brand of crushed red peppers, and I don't mind the spice, guys, so you can put as little as you want to or as lot as you want to. Okay, and then I'm going to put some Kirkland brand of black pepper, and again, you can use as much black pepper as you want to or as little as you want to. I remember I washed the chicken already, so the chicken is nice and clean, and I've washed it in some vinegar. Okay, now I'm going to pour my seasoning on and then we'll regroup. Okay. Okay, my friends, I've had oh, this camera is not doing well. Okay, my friends, I'm going to put some Better Pack curry onto this. This is Jamaican curry. There's different type of curry out there, guys. So, but I only use the Jamaican one. I like the way it makes the dish taste. So this is curry chicken, and don't forget I use mainly chicken back and a little bit of thigh. I'm going to add maybe about 2 tablespoons of curry at this point. This dish should only take you about half an hour to cook, guys. Half an hour. I'm mixing in the curry and all the seasoning. I use chopped up sweet pepper. I use some green onions, and I also use some white onions along with black pepper, crushed red pepper, and some seasoned salt in this. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to prepare the next part and come right back to you. Okay, my friends, the pot is on the stove that I'm going to curry the chicken in, and I've put maybe about 3 tablespoons of oil, and the cooking oil that I'm using is actually vegetable oil, but you can use any oil that you have. And the oil that I'm using, it's a little bit dark only because I fried some chicken in the oil a couple of days ago, and the oil is still good to use. So make sure you're not wasting things, guys. I find that we're hoarding food from the grocery store, and then it's just leaving to spoil, or we're finding that, you know, people are wasting a lot. So this is a time that we have to preserve, so let's not be wasteful. Okay, so we're gonna wait until that's a little bit hot, and then I could add my chicken in it. So while the oil is getting hot, guys, I usually put some more curry in the oil. And I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon of curry in the oil. Okay, as I told you before, I like my curry chicken to actually look like curry chicken. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir this around in the pot, and we're making curry chicken. Okay, so I put my curry in the pot, And this is Better Pack curry that I'm using, and as I said, you can use any curry that you want to. I prefer to use the Better Pack Jamaican curry, only because different curry produce different taste, produce a different color of the curry, and I like my curry chicken to be almost yellowish green. Okay, all right, so that looks like it's becoming a little bit hot, and I'm going to put my chicken in. Okay, so this is a curry chicken all seasoned in. Now you want to put everything, once you've washed this curry really nicely, guys, you don't have to worry, put all the liquid, all that wonderful seasoning in it, and we're going to stir it up and leave it to cook. Okay, I'm going to stir this up. At this point you can actually turn down the stove low, or you can tip some water in it, right? And I'm going to tip some water in my curry. Okay, I'm going to tip. And honestly, guys, this meal takes about half an hour, as I said, it takes about half an hour to make curry chicken back at least. And now if you leave it like this, you can turn on the stove. It will produce some water, but I like to add a little bit of water only to make sure it's cooked thoroughly. Okay, so I've had maybe about half cup of water to my curry chicken, and at this point I'm going to reduce the heat, and because it's on high right now, you can see the flames, right? I'm going to reduce the heat and cover this pot. Okay, I'm going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Then I'm going to come back, stir it up, add some potatoes to it, and leave it to cook for another half an hour. In the meantime, I'm going to make some rice. I'm not going to show you this part, but if you want to know how to make rice on the white rice on the stove top, I can show you how to do it. Just leave a comment below and I'll definitely make plain rice. Okay, so half an hour, we'll wait 15 minutes, add the potato, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, this is my curry chicken taken off, and it's boiling very nicely, or cooking very nicely. I'm going to reduce this heat now and keep on cooking. Okay my friends, my curry is going well. It's been 15 minutes now since this has been cooking. Okay, as I said, it's curry chicken back. It doesn't take long to cook. Now I've cut up 2 small potatoes, very small, in bite-sized pieces as well, and I'm going to add this along with some a small white onion, some thyme, and some garlic. This is thyme, and some garlic. This is a dry garlic because I don't have any fresh garlic, so you can put all that in. Okay, so I'm just going to add this now. Now the potato will take its time. I'm going to let this cook for about 15 more minutes, and then we'll come back. The potato is going to take its time to cook. While the potato is cooking, it will start to thicken up the gravy. Okay, it will start to thicken up the stew. So we're going to make this cook for another half an hour, and then we're going to come, another 15 minutes, and then we're going to come back, and this should be good to go. Okay, you have to make sure, guys, when you're cooking anything curry, to make sure you're cooking the curry thoroughly, because if you don't, the curry has a tendency to hurt your tummy. Okay, I'm going to charge this camera and then come right back. Okay my friends, I just kind of switched stoves over, only because I'm making also some green bananas to go with my curry chicken. As you can see, the gravy is starting to thicken up because of the potatoes, right? So this has been cooking now for half an hour, so it's basically done. I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. See, it's nice and thick, and that's how I like my curry. Right, so I'm going to taste it a little bit just to make sure it's tasty, how I like it. Oh, that tastes good. I'm going to add half a chicken bouillon cube, just maybe half, and I'm going to stir it around and make sure this is cooked out, and I'm going to leave this for another 5 minutes or so just to make sure the cube is cooked. The potatoes are done, good stuff. I just want to make sure I mash out this cube so it's not left salty in here. Okay. Oop. And my curry chicken is basically done. It's been cooking for half an hour, as I said, so this is basically done. I'm just going to see, it's nice and thick, and this is how you want it, right guys? This is how you want it. You don't have to add anything else in it. It's nice and peppery how I like it. You can add as much pepper as you want to, and this is basically it. Curry chicken back my way with a little bit of thyme there, and just give me a few minutes and I'm going to plate this, and we're going to come back and see what it looks like. Okay. There it is, my friends, curry chicken plated with some white rice and a slice of green banana. Okay, so this is how I make my curry chicken. Nice and wonderful. Half an hour it took me, and that's it. Don't forget, my friends, not everyone that wonders is lost, and always strive for something better.